That's a food plate. That's a bite. Oh, that's a bite.
Mm-hmm.
What? I didn't do that. Uh-oh, he's shouting, Bessie. If he get a new shirt, baby.
Let's feed him first, and then we'll give him a new shirt.
I'm feeding them.
Mm-hmm. That's too much. Okay, good.
Bear, baby.
Oh, Sully, don't do that. Say, I'm a good big brother.
I'll go big brother.
And Sully is a good little brother.
Yeah. Sorry. Yep.